I've learned from my mistakes.
After a few weeks of using the DJI Osmo Action 6, it stopped feeling like a new gadget and started acting like part of my daily carry. It came with my friends and me on quiet days, long walks, and moments when filming had to happen fast. This review focuses on how it behaved in real situations and what stood out once the early excitement faded. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. First, a look at how the camera handled changing light throughout daily use. The variable aperture became something we relied on without much thought. Switching between f2.0 and f4.0 helped the camera react smoothly as lighting shifted from shaded corners to open sun. Indoors, f2.0 kept footage bright without forcing exposure. Outdoors, f4.0 kept highlights steady and scenes more balanced. After several weeks, the aperture felt like a quiet helper that stepped in before we needed to adjust anything. It kept recording simply while moving from place to place, which mattered more than any spec sheet suggested. That's really an amazing thing. Next, the sensor showed its strengths in real environments. The 1x1.1-inch square sensor handled mixed lighting without sudden jumps. The biggest difference appeared at night. Low-light video held color and form instead of falling into heavy noise. Even during movement, the wider dynamic range also kept bright areas and darker sections under control when the light shifted quickly. Recording once and cropping later with 4K custom mode saved several shots that would have needed reshooting. It made the camera easier to use on days when filming wasn't the main focus but still needed to look good. Then one feature grew more useful with time. The macro lens lets the camera focus close enough to show textures and small objects clearly without switching gears. It helped with quick detail shots during daily filming, travel, or simple moments that needed a closer look. Over the weeks, it became a small but dependable tool that added variety. Yeah, it really has added fun and excitement. From macro to stability. Yeah, the camera's stability and overall reliability stood out. HorizonSteady kept the horizon level during walks, uneven ground, and quick turns. It didn't remove every bump, but it held the frame steady enough to keep clips clean without effort. Moreover, battery life has made a big difference. The Action 6 ran long enough to cover full outings, around 4 hours at 1080p or 200 minutes at 4K, which reduced battery swapping. The built-in 50GB storage saved entire shoots when the SD card wasn't in the camera, day after day. These small advantages helped the Action 6 stay ready instead of slowing anything down. Before we wrap up, we need to talk about the audio system and ecosystem support, which have made filming easier. Two DJI Mic transmitters connect straight to the camera, no receiver needed. This kept the rig light and made it simple to capture voices during spontaneous moments. The magnetic mounts and Osmo accessories also helped. Switching angles or moving between locations felt quick, and older gear stayed useful. Over time, the whole system worked together in a way that supported filming rather than interrupting it. Yeah, that has helped a lot. Okay, we need to wrap up. But yeah, after a few months of use, the DJI Osmo Action 6 proved to be a dependable everyday camera. The aperture adapted smoothly, the sensor stayed steady in tough lighting, and the audio setup kept recording simply. With strong stabilization, built-in storage, and a helpful macro lens, it made filming easier, not harder. I may have repeated this again and again, but it's the truth. Well, what do you think about this DJI Osmo Action 6? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on.